Okay, so today we're going to talk about angles and circles. So these angles are formed by chords, tangent lines, and secant lines of circles. And there's three different ways that you can find angle measures. So you're first going to look at the location of the vertex. So the first scenario is if the vertex is inside the circle. And if it's inside the circle, then you're going to add the two intercepted arcs and divide by 2. So just add the arcs and divide by 2. The second scenario is if the vertex is on the circle. Then you're just going to take the intercepted arc and divide it by 2. And then the last scenario is if it's outside the circle. In that case, you're going to take the bigger arc and subtract it from the other arc and divide by 2. Alright, so let's look at a couple examples. First one, this is inside the circle. So I'm going to add my arcs and divide by 2. So my angle would equal 52 plus 40 divided by 2. So that is 92 divided by 2, so that leaves my angle as 46 degrees. Alright, let's look at another example. This is a vertex on the circle. So, it's on the circle, the angle is equal to arc divided by 2. So if this is my angle here, this is my intercepted arc, and that's 220 degrees. So my angle is equal to 220 divided by 2, which gives me an angle measure of 110 degrees. Alright, the last case, if it is outside the circle. Let's look at this one. So these numbers are a little bit hard to see, but this angle measure is 160 over here. And this second one is 80. So, if it's outside the circle, then my angle is equal to the bigger arc minus the smaller arc and divided by 2. So my bigger arc is 160, my smaller arc is 80, divided by 2. That gives me 80 divided by 2. So my angle is 40 degrees. So in conclusion, find your vertex and then go back to the three formulas we talked about and plug those arc values into those three formulas to find the angle measure.